Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering essentials. Get your letter of acceptance from a designated learning institution. This unlocks the study permit process. Next, assemble proof of funds showing tuition plus living expenses. Use bank statements or sponsorship letters to explain large transactions. Make sure your passport is valid for your planned stay and take passport-style photos meeting Canadian specs. Once done, create an ERC online account so you can begin the application without delay. You now complete the core forms and prepare documents for upload. Accurately fill IMM 1294 and any associated questionnaires. Inconsistent answers cause delays. Schedule biometrics at a local collection center when prompted and book a medical exam if you need one. Obtain police certificates from countries where you lived more than 6 months. Translate non-English or non-French documents, convert to clear PDFs, and name files logically so the visa officer can verify you submit and monitor the application to completion. Pay the application and biometrics fees online, attach all labeled PDFs, then hit submit through your ERC account. Track processing status and immediately respond to any requests for additional documents or clarifications. Delays often come from slow responses. If approved, review the decision letter and prepare your port of entry documents, letter of introduction, passport, and proof of funds. Troubleshooting tip: if processing stalls, contact VAC/ERC with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.